Hello there, welcome back to the Chef T for Tochukwu. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed the quick and easy recipe you are about to watch. video, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend to you. Tell everybody. Don't forget to comment down below if you would try out the recipe, or if you tried it out and you'd like to let me know. Also, you can contact me on my Instagram page called the Chef T, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy quick recipes, and please turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, if I upload a video, you get it instantly. You just get the notification and you come here and watch the video. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me here today. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.